Good evening, sir. So, gagawin po natin ngayon is create a directory name PT101 sa the videos folder and create a file name pt101.txt with content of platform technologies. So, first is type, then after that, so, gawan tayo ng file then videos. Andito na po yung PT101. So, gusto lang natin yan. After nyan is create the PT101 text file. So, echo platform technologies. Dash PT 101 dash PT 101 text. Enter. Next is the copy the PT101 text file in the desktop folder without change dictionary and list the dictionary on desktop. So next go is copy CP and videos. Desktop. So, enter. Nandito na po siya sa desktop po, sa may Windows. Windows and desktop. So, next po is ls minus b desktop. After yan, so, delete the folder name pt101 inside the videos folder and list the folder without changing dictionary. So, ito po siya. rm, type lang po natin siya. Slash, ship pala, ship, videos. PT01. Yan po. So, click lang natin. After enter na, open natin siya. Videos. Wala na po. Na-delete na po. So, next is list the contents of the videos in directory. So ls and videos. And thank you for watching, sir. And good night po. God bless. Thank you po.